Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable dark theme in Google Drive step by step. Using dark mode can reduce eye strain, save battery on devices, and give your Google Drive a sleek new look. So in order to do that, first of all, open your Google Drive application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your Google account. Once logged in, go to the top right section and tap on the gear button. From the settings menu that pops up on the screen, select choose theme option under theme. Now tap on dark in the pop-up and you have now successfully enabled the dark theme on the Google Drive application. Your Google Drive interface now will appear in dark color, reducing glare and saving battery. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.